Do you have a question about someone's roles in the finance system? Maybe you want a new hire to have the same access as another member of your team, but you don't know what that means or what roles to request. In Fin 9.2, you can look up a person's roles to answer those questions. Here's how it works. Navigate to Main Menu, People Tools, Security, User Profiles, User Profiles. If you might do this often, you can set this as a favorite. On the Find an Existing Value tab, click on Advanced Search. Now you can look up someone by their user ID or their name. Plus, you can look up someone whose name contains a certain string of characters. Use the description field to look up by last name. Click Search. Select the person you're looking for from the list of results. Or if your search produced only one result, you'll already be on the lookup screens. If your search produces too many results, you may need to add some additional information, like the first letter of their first name. If that doesn't show you the person you're looking for, put a space after the comma. When you're looking at your search results, you may see more than one PeopleSoft user ID for the person you want. In this case, be sure to pick the 10-character ID. For someone with the last name of Smith, it'll look like this. There are two tabs in the user profile screens. On the Roles tab, you'll see the individual's roles in Fin. If the person has more than 10 roles, click the View All icon above the list of roles to see all of them. Note that roles checked as dynamic are system assigned. You don't request those roles. If you have a question about what a role does, you can check out the role names and descriptions at our OUC webpage. Or you can contact your Campus Fin security coordinator. You'll find names and contact information at this website.